और आपको लिए चलेंगे चकलाला C-130 तैयारे की हवालगी की तकरीब में। पाक फिजाइया के सरबराह एयर चीफ मार्शल सुहेल अमान भी इस वक्त तकरीब में मौजूद हैं। उनको गार्ड ऑफ ऑनर पेश किया गया। चकलाला C-130 हवालगी तैयारे के मुतालिक ये खबर आपको दे रहे हैं। मकामी तौर पर मुकम्मल ओवर चेकिंग की गई है। इस तैयारे की गार्ड ऑफ ऑनर पेश किया गया है एयर चीफ मार्शल सुहेल अमान को। चकलाला C-130 तैयारे की हवालगी की ये तकरीब आप मुलाहिजा कर रहे हैं।
एयर चीफ मार्शल सुहेल अमान भी इस तकरीब में मौजूद है। उन्हें गार्ड ऑफ ऑनर पेश किया गया है। चकलाला C-130 तैयारा हवालगी की ये तकरीब है। फौजी जवानों की जानिब से गार्ड ऑफ ऑनर भी पेश किया गया है।
During this short span of time and the contribution that you've made towards the national peace and stability of the region, that should make us very, very proud. I've seen very closely the way you have transformed into a complete operational element. And today, when you move out absolute low level into night NVG operations, it makes us very proud because you venture into many other domains. I'm also very confident and very happy to see you participate into international exercises, and never that you have come back without an award or a distinction. While the awards may not be important, I'm very delighted to see that the operational prowess and the engineering support that you bring to this fleet. Keep up. But the challenges ahead are many, and I'll enumerate on those as well. What most pleases me is the spirit of indigenization that has been brought in. And we are looking forward to bring this indigenization into more institutionalized way by developing the academic institutes. PAC and other engineering depots, hands and glove, will march towards this path, inshallah, I'm very sure. I'm pleased to witness the impressive workmanship and high quality of maintenance at this depot. It is heartening to see the skill and the training of the workforce at this depot in conformity with international standards. Certainly your devotion and commitment have played a significant role in establishing this in-country overall facility. Of special mention is the indigenous manufacturing of structural parts, and we understand that the delicacy and the details of manufacturing such intricate components. Undertaking of challenging task of structural repairs, both inland and abroad. Support to friendly countries for compliance of their PDM inspections and considerable initiative in ISR modification. All speaks volumes for your efforts and dedication. It is the spirit of the engineers and the technicians that let us rebuild the SAP aeroplanes, and they fly in the sky without any difficulty, and that makes us again very, very proud. Moreover, ascertaining health of the platform through non-destructive inspection techniques, corrosion prevention and control programs, refurbishment of the flight deck and cargo compartment upholstery in accordance with the Federal Aviation Authority regulation deserves appreciation. Each one of them contributes towards the bigger cause of overhauling the aeroplane, and we appreciate that very much. I'm confident that you would realize your full potential and come up with the innovative waves in your future assignments. The challenges faced by our country demand our capabilities to remain consistently high and focus on our indigenous abilities. I demand confidence and professional excellence from you. It is this confidence that you give us that we embarked upon various programs on the SAB, ZEDEK, and now IL-78. And I formally today induct an IL-78 for 1200-hour inspection on 1st of April, inshallah, 2017. Ladies and gentlemen, remember that you may not see the entire staircase, but the first step is important, and that is the step that we are taking. And I'm very sure that you will make it happen, and I have no ambiguity in this mind. I need complete confidence and I need complete commitment to do this. I'm sure God will be on our side. We must convert these challenges which come up because of the international environment into opportunities to live up to the expectations of the nation, and inshallah we will.